Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Hind and I am new to the family of YouTube. Basically, my channel is going to be concentrating about lifestyle, fashion, traveling and mainly cooking because I love cooking. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys all my knowledge about all the type of cuisines, like the international cuisine. So I will be sharing with you some nice recipes. Prepare yourself for it. But today I decided to start with fashion, and I've got a full parcel to unpack with you guys today. It's from a special famous website that I heard a lot about it from other bloggers. I heard about it from friends and also in the internet. I was so interested by the website and I was a little bit curious to know if it's real, because what I'm gonna be telling you, it's unbelievable. This website, it's selling everything for £5 only. Whatever you have and you see on the website, it's for £5 only. So the website basically called everything5pounds.com. I just decided to go and pick up some stuff from there and share with you the results. So here is my package, which is I already unpacked before because I couldn't wait. I just needed to open and discover what they've got here for me. Finally, it's here. I had to wait for a while. So this is how it comes. It says everything5pounds.com on the box. So yeah, it's personalized. So yeah, let's start with this and hopefully it's gonna be real and nice results and nice quality. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with this pair of shoes. I bought a couple of shoes from them because I found a lot of really good choices. Honestly, in the beginning I was a little bit confused and I was asking myself, should I really buy from them or it's gonna be some kind of scam or something, and I was like wondering if I really need to give my bank details to them. But then after researches and after I seen a lot of famous bloggers talking about it, I said it's no way to be something wrong with it, so I'm just gonna give it a try and we're gonna see. And honestly, I don't regret. So let's start with this pair of shoes. Here is it. I'm really obsessed with this one, this biker mini boots, or you can call it shoes, I don't know, but this biker style, it's just really nice. And even the quality of the material which is made from, it doesn't look cheap at all. It looks really good, really nice, and with a really good quality and small details, which is showing that the shoes deserves more than £5 for sure. And I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe this pair of shoes, it's only for £5. Like, look at the details, like the small, just like a small sweetness in between my hands right now. These biker shoes can be so perfect with any kind of mini floral dresses, with jeans, with shorts, t-shirts, anything, literally anything, because for me personally, I would love to wear it every day with anything. I mean, yeah, I love it. It's really nice and it's come in really nice boxes. So when I seen it, I was like, no way, this is £5. Like, no. The second pair of shoes, I don't know this marks. It's called Ideal Shoes, and I've got no idea about this honestly, but all I care about that the products, I mean the items, are very nice and good, so, and cheap, so I have no problem. So look at this. I'm so in love with the sandals. I'm so in love. It's just beautiful and specific and summery. I mean, when I see these sandals, the first thing I think about it's summertime. Heels like this, and it's too soft with the small details all around, with all of this bandage. I like bandage on sandals, I love it. And the black color is my favorite because I can wear it with everything, and the item doesn't look cheap at all, and I'm just like shocked. This is £5? No way, no way. It's unbelievable, literally unbelievable, because this is like good quality stuff. It's too cheap. Now let's go to the last one when it's about shoes, and I've got, ta-da! I've got this beautiful, I don't know what to call it, trainers or espadrille, I don't know what to call it, but anyway. And basically I picked it up because of the color. I love red when it's about shoes, and because I'm not really a big fan of this type of trainers, or you can call it espadrille on this style, but the color was too much for me to not accept it, so I just picked it up because of the color. But in the reality, I don't regret, because it does look much better than I seen on the website. So yeah, welcome to everything £5. And I'm just gonna go quickly and start having a look on the rest of the items that I picked up. So yeah, we're gonna go to the clothes, and I've got really nice items in here, at least for me. I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna start with, oh my god, this box is just too big. So I'm gonna start with this beautiful little thing. It's very nice. This is my style. I think it's too, I mean, I don't know how to say, like, it's sexy, it's nice, it's stylish, and it's for summertime, and it's showing the femininity of a woman. And I like the off-shoulders t-shirts, dresses, and generally. So, and also let's talk about the color. It's red, and as I told you, I'm in love with red. So whenever I see red color in front of me, I just want to jump and take it. So yeah, this is very nice. It does look small, honestly, on the hand, but once you put it on you, it's just a good size, and it's fitting very well with high-waisted jeans or skirts. So yeah, I would really recommend it with some high-waisted boyfriend jeans or even a skirt. It's gonna go perfectly with it. So I've got this one, and I've got the same one but in black. So two the same, just different colors. Yeah, I think this is really cute for summertime, and it's giving a really nice touch to your outfits and to your style. I think it's a good one. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna go to another thing. You're gonna see a lot of colors. I am a big lover of colors, so yeah. We've got this dolly beautiful mini dress. For me, this is a dolly doll. No, this is a dolly dress. It's a Barbie little one. Too beautiful, with this cut out in the front. It's wrapped on the front next to the chest a little bit. You've got this details but in here, like this small buttons, which is just so cute. I love it. It's too beautiful. And you've got from here, it's elastic, so it can fit take the shape of your body, as you can see. And honestly, the quality of the material, it's just good. It's not bad, it's really good. And the color, it's just amazing. So having this thing for £5, it's just perfect. Yeah, this is the first dress. Then I've got oh my god, then I've got this. We've got the second dress. So colorful as always. This flashy green. It's my favorite one from this box. I love it. I love the cut. I love the shape of it. It's a bodycon dress with this different shoulders in here. It's a little bit like, I don't know, like how to call it in English, band, or I don't know, but this is how it looks on the shoulders. It's just very nice. And the material, honestly, it's a good material, and it's soft. I can see it's soft. Like, I don't know, used for all the seasons. You can wear it at any season, winter or summer or spring, because it can keep you warm, and on the same time the color is it's fresh. So yeah, I think this is a good choice, at least for me. I love it. This is my style, and I'm in love with bodycon dresses because it's giving a really nice shape to the body, and I think it's just looking cute on every single woman out there. So yeah, I've got this one, and then let's go to the other dress. I mean the last dress, and I'm just in love with this one because this kind of dresses are just reminding me of the old movies, the American movies, and I was always like impressed with these women who were in this kind of dresses. It's just cute and so soft and so cute. This is all I can say. With this bandage on the two sides, this bandage is giving it extra touch, and it's adjustable, so you can squeeze it as much as you want and do the style you want. And it's coming with buttons. From these buttons are coming from the top to the knee. You can close it or open it, it's up to you. The material is just so soft, and it's perfect for summertime. It's really perfect for summertime. Basically, when you're wearing this kind of material, you just feel free and like you're not wearing anything. So when it's really this kind of hot days outside, this is the good option to have on your body. Yeah, I love this one, and I love the colors, and I love the details of the small pinky flowers all over the material. And yeah, and this is gonna go perfectly with the biker shoes. So that was all about the clothes. Then no, sorry, I still have one more thing. I have this blusa shirt, which is so cute, and this is the fashion now. This is gonna go perfectly with any nice black bra or white bra underneath, or for the girls who don't want to wear it with a bra, you can wear it with, I don't know, any black shirts underneath or white. It's gonna go perfectly with these three colors, I guess: black, white, and this dark red. So yeah, this is just too cute. It has all the simple classic buttons from the top as well to the knee, and it's just amazing with the small details all around, all over the shirt. It's just very nice, and the material as well. So yeah, having all of these things for £5, it's just a dream for me. It's just a dream. I love it. I seen it and I couldn't resist myself. I just want to pick up everything from there, but I can't. Then I've got this nice bag. This bag is gonna be from now on my favorite everyday bag because the size, it's just perfect. I don't like this big size bags, and I cannot be using the small size bags every day because you know that we put in a lot of things inside. So I just picked up this one because there was a lot of big bags, but I am a small body and I don't like to have a big thing stuck to me all the day long, which looks more bigger than me. So a medium size like this one, it's just perfect for a person like you. And honestly enough to have everything inside of it because it's quite deep, as you can see. It has two pockets, one on this side with a small zip, one on the other side open. You can put your wallet, your cards, perfume, all the things that a girl needs to have inside of a bag. It can fit on this medium-sized bag, which looks more artisanal. And I like the quality of the leather, the full leather. It has this metallic buttons all around, golden ones. The small details all around to give an extra touch to it. I just love it because also it's reminding me of my culture. We do a lot of handmade stuff, and this bag looks like it's a handmade thing. I know it's not, but the design looks like it's a handmade bag, so I just loved it. And I love the color, and this is gonna be my favorite everyday bag from now on. I'm just in love with it, and I cannot believe I just bought all of these beautiful nice items for £5 each only. So all I can say after this unpackaging, that the website of Everything £5, it's just an amazing one for the people who want to economize their money and have nice and beautiful stylish outfits on the same time without going and buying from expensive places. Doesn't mean you're not gonna go and buy sometimes, but if you want to economize your money and have a lot of clothes, nice fashion on your wardrobe, you can go to Everything £5 and have nice new clothes even every week. It's not gonna be a problem because it's just too cheap. And yeah, it's not a scam. I love it. I love the items, I love the design and the quality of it, and I would recommend it hardly to anyone out there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let me know on the comments below about your opinions, and also if you would be interested to watch a next video about how the outfits looks like on me or on anyone who's gonna be wearing it, so I can make a video and wear all of the items and show you how it looks like. So yeah, thank you so much again, and be safe, take care of yourselves, give me some support, subscribe if you are interested by my channel concept, and give me some support again. See you soon, bye.